Alright, so guys, what's up? We have the Liopleurodon here from Dominion. This is my touch-up Liopleurodon. I gave it some brown spots on its flippers. This is the original right here. No paint. You can tell. Even at their face. I mean the lower jaw. Right there. So, I don't... Oh yeah, there's the DNA scan. And the feature is the jumping down. So it totally looks different from the newest Liopleurodon. I found it yesterday at Walmart. So this is the only one there hanging. I was like so happy seeing it. It didn't have that Torvosaurus though. I was looking for that too, but at least we found this Liopleurodon. This is bigger mutated Liopleurodon. Look at that. Wow, where's the button in that? There we go. You push it right there, it jumps. However, since it is a gigantic treasure, it doesn't have a sound. No sound, so let's unbox it. So there's the Torvosaurus I was talking about. I'm gonna need 2 of these. Yep. For a repaint, or maybe another one for a hybrid, you know? So let's unbox it, let's check it out, and compare to the original Liopleurodon from Dominion. Nice. Okay, nice box. Here we go.
Look at the bottom.
Whoa, what is that? Look at that. Looks like the original didn't have that. Look, it's so scaly, glossy, nice fins or scales right there. So if you push this, the jaw opens up. You push this right here. Oh, there you go. Look at the spikes go up as well. Look at that. Look, it grows. That's so cool. So you move it there. So let's compare to the original Liopleurodon. Look at the size of this. This is a Wild Roar, and now they made it a gigantic treasure. It totally looks so different. Look at the head, the jaw, even the nostrils became so different. The nostrils of this Liopleurodon is like all the way close to its eye. This one's all the way on its snout. Totally different. I wish to just call this a different mosasaur or something like that, different kind of mosasaur. The body so different, has spikes. Even the flippers are so different now. They could have called it at least another, you know. There's the DNA scan for you guys. There's the Jurassic logo. And is there a feature in this thing? Maybe you can pull it somewhere? No? Okay, it doesn't say no. So yeah, it is a nice piece. We're gonna make this like a legendary. This is pretty sweet actually.
It looks like a legendary one.
I think there's a defect though. Look at that work. So we probably have to return this and get a new one.
What?
We're gonna get a new one because there's a defect. See? It's not supposed to be like this. So we'll get another one. Hopefully return this damage, or I'll make this a hybrid. We'll see. So there's the jaw. Let's check the face. Whoa, look at the teeth in that. Has another set of teeth. Looks really nice. Looks sharp, but it's just made of rubber. Look at that. Whoa, look at over there. That's really nice. Yeah, they should have called this another mosasaur instead of a Liopleurodon. Let's check this spikes right there. That's it. Yeah, I think it's a defect. There's a defect here. So yep, there you have it for today, guys. Our new Liopleurodon, our mutated one.
I like
also,
this.
the tail has spikes on it. Compared to the original Liopleurodon. At least we have 3 now.
Excuse me, Daddy. I think it's okay for me like this.
Yeah.
A little bit for me. It's okay for me.
Alright. What's that for to say? Okay, so yeah. Look at the difference. See? The size, the body.
Yeah, look at the flippers look long. This was more longer in the back.
So there you have it today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I'll give it one more look. Look at that. Yep, so this is okay. This is very safe. Put it on water or in the pool. You want to have fun in the river.
I'm happy.
Because it doesn't have a sound. So it's totally okay. So yep, there you have it, guys.
It looks like it got mixed up with like a Molsaurus.
Look at that tail, it's also different.
They got mixed up with Molsaurus, something like that.
Yeah. Fairly well again. Till next time.